I'm back. Let's read some scary healthcare stories together.
This is a good one. All right. Everybody, please send me in your scary stories. I would love to read them. All right, Karen. I've been a nurse since 1995. I worked night shift on an oncology floor. One night around 3 a.m., always 3 a.m., I noticed a male visitor standing at the foot of my patient's bed. When I went to tell him that we can't have visitors at 3 a.m., he evaporated. I entered the room. As I turned to the patient, she took her last breath. I never told anyone, as I'm sure no one would believe me. Many years later, a similar situation in the same room, except it was a woman visiting. She had her hands resting on the patient's hands on her abdomen. I watched the patient take her last breath and the visitor vanished. Both patients were DNR status and their passing was so peaceful. I'd love to hear that. And now it seems absurd and I doubt anyone would believe me. I believe you. But I swear on my grandbabies, you have to swear on your grandbabies. It brings me comfort as I age that maybe someone will come to help me when it's my time to cross over. That is so beautiful. Thank you so much for sharing that story. I 100% believe you because I have seen very similar things. Go into my creepy stories thing on my thing and you can watch them all. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much for sending that one in.